Welcome to today's quick and effective 3-minute fat-burning workout, designed specifically for beginners. If you're short on time but still want to get your body moving and start burning fat, this session is perfect for you. No equipment is needed, just your body and a little bit of space. This workout is great for people who are looking to get started on their fitness journey but don't have a lot of time to spare. In just 3 minutes, we're going to engage your muscles, raise your heart rate, and activate your metabolism to help you burn those calories. The goal here is to maximize intensity in a short amount of time, and the best part is, you can repeat this workout as many times as you like to see even better results. Whether you're trying to shed a few pounds, increase your stamina, or simply get your body moving, this workout has you covered. Each exercise is carefully chosen to target multiple muscle groups and boost your calorie burn. It's all about working at your own pace, listening to your body, and pushing yourself just a little bit further with each session. Get ready to feel the burn and start your journey towards a fitter, healthier version of yourself. All you need is your focus and energy. Let's get started. 1. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Let's begin with jumping jacks, a great exercise to get your heart rate up and your body warmed up. Stand tall with your feet together and your arms by your sides. As you jump, spread your legs wide and raise your arms above your head. On the next jump, bring your feet back together and your arms back down to your sides. This is a simple yet effective move that will get your blood flowing, making it the perfect start to any workout. As you continue, focus on maintaining a steady rhythm, and challenge yourself to increase your speed as you go. Jumping jacks not only engage your legs, arms, and core but also help activate your metabolism. This movement is a great way to increase blood circulation, preparing your muscles for the more intense exercises that follow. Keep your chest lifted, and remember that consistency is key for getting the best results. 2. High knees, 30 seconds. Next up, high knees. This exercise is all about raising your heart rate and engaging your core. Stand tall and begin jogging in place, but focus on lifting your knees as high as possible, aiming for your hip level or higher. Pump your arms as you move, which will not only help you maintain a faster pace but also engage your upper body. To maximize the intensity, think of driving your knees up as quickly as possible. High knees are excellent for improving cardiovascular health, burning fat, and toning your core and lower body. The quicker your knees rise, the more intense the workout, so challenge yourself to pick up the pace as you go. If you need to slow down at any point, do so, but aim to maintain that constant movement for the full 30 seconds. 3. Squat jumps, 30 seconds. Now, we're going to fire up those legs with squat jumps. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body into a squat position, making sure to keep your knees behind your toes and your chest up. From here, explode upward, jumping as high as you can. As you land, immediately lower back down into the squat to get ready for the next jump. This explosive movement works your glutes, quads, and calves, but also challenges your cardiovascular system. The key is to land softly, absorbing the shock with your legs to protect your knees. Squat jumps help to develop explosive power in the lower body and improve your coordination. If you're feeling fatigued, reduce the intensity by doing regular squats, but keep pushing your limits to get the best fat-burning benefits. 4. Mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Let's hit the floor for mountain climbers. Start in a plank position, with your hands directly under your shoulders, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Quickly alternate bringing one knee toward your chest, then switching legs as though you're climbing a mountain. As you do this, keep your core tight to prevent your hips from sagging. Mountain climbers target your abs, arms, and legs, providing a full body workout in a short amount of time. By picking up the pace, you'll engage your muscles while also getting a great cardio boost. Keep your shoulders aligned with your wrists and your body in a straight line to avoid unnecessary strain on your back. Focus on deep, steady breathing to maintain your energy throughout this intense exercise. 5. Burpees, 30 seconds. Now, it's time for burpees, arguably one of the best fat-burning exercises out there. Start in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the floor in front of you. Jump your feet back into a plank position, perform a push-up, optional, and then jump your feet back to your hands. From here, explode upwards into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Burpees are highly effective because they work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, which helps you burn fat faster. This full body exercise will boost your metabolism and endurance while increasing your strength and flexibility. Even though burpees can be challenging, they're one of the best exercises for achieving fast results in a short amount of time. If you need to take it easier, modify the movement by stepping back into the plank position instead of jumping. 6. Plank to push up, 30 seconds. For our final exercise, we're going to challenge your core and upper body with the plank to push up. Start in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly beneath your shoulders and your body in a straight line. From here, push up one hand at a time into a full push-up position, and then lower yourself back down onto your forearms, one arm at a time. Repeat this motion, alternating which hand leads. This exercise is great for engaging your core, chest, shoulders, and arms while also giving you a solid cardio boost. The plank to push up is a fantastic full body movement that will help improve strength, stability, and endurance. To make it easier, you can modify by dropping your knees to the ground during the plank. However, for maximum effect, keep your body as straight as possible and push yourself to move quickly while maintaining good form. Challenge yourself to keep a steady pace, and focus on breathing deeply throughout the exercise. It may seem tough, but it will leave you feeling stronger and more accomplished. And that's it. You've completed the 3-minute fat-burning workout for beginners. That was intense, but you did an amazing job. Even in such a short amount of time, your body has been engaged, your heart rate has been elevated, and you've already started burning fat. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate this workout into your routine several times a week for the best results. Each time you do it, you'll get stronger, fitter, and more confident in your abilities. The more you practice, the quicker your body adapts, and the faster you'll see progress. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build endurance, or simply get moving, this workout is a great place to start. You don't need fancy equipment or a lot of time, just your dedication and effort. So don't be discouraged if you find it tough at first. Keep pushing, and remember that every effort counts. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and celebrate every little victory along the way. If you like this quick workout, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more short but powerful workouts like this. Keep challenging yourself, stay committed, and I'll see you in the next video. Scroll down and check the link. You might discover something your routine has been missing.